You know, it hurts. It hurts me to title videos like this, but you clicked on it. You click on these things.
Want daily tech news in a way that doesn't suck?
Of course you do.
Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Front Page Tech, of course, show that gives you all of this tech news from one geek that is me to another that is you. Happy Wednesday, happy hump day. What? Another episode?
Another one.
And we have enough news today to do a regular episode. 3 news stories today. We're going to cover 3 things. So if you don't see a show tomorrow, it's because we gambled and lost. All right, so first up, story numero uno for the day. Pixel. We got a Pixel leak. A real one. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, so what happened was somebody in a random small Telegram group posted these images, supposedly from Sprint, supposedly a Pixel 4, and the person who posted these images in the small Telegram group was not the original source. No one knows who that is. No one knows who the source is or if these are legit. But, I do. Your boy does. I can tell you if they're real or not. These, ladies and gentlemen, these images are fake. And I'll tell you why. Look up here in the corner. This is how you know it's fake. Ain't nobody getting full signal with Sprint. I'm kidding. Actually, they're real. Yes, I can confirm this is the real deal, the real Pixel 4 on Sprint's network. So a few months ago, like a couple months ago, the Pixel 4s were actually sent out to carriers for testing. So the carriers do have them, like Verizon has it, T-Mobile has it, and you're probably wondering, well, Sprint, how do they has? T-Mobile Sprint merger. Makes sense. The phones are in testing. This is a real image. These are real images of the Pixel 4. That's the real deal. Looks pretty good. All right, so next up, would you like an example of a not real leak? How about the iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone Pro, whatever the they're gonna call it. This video is being spread around as the first video hands-on leak of this phone. Now, real quick, I'll let you just watch the whole thing with sound. Here you go.
Hey, hello, thank you very much. Hey, hello, thank you very much.
Did you see that Literally, as the phone is being turned over, the footage, there's a cut. There's a cut in the video. Either way, the back of the device that you're seeing right here is a dummy unit, and then it cuts to a working iPhone. It is not the iPhone 11 Pro. And it fucking twists my nutsack up to even have to talk about this in the show, in an episode, but tech blogs keep fucking reporting it like it's a real thing. BGR, you dingleberries. The first hands-on of the iPhone 11 Pro supposedly just leaked. No, bitch. Slash Leaks even did the same thing. You guys know. You know it's not the real thing. Just quit. If it's obviously not real, you know it's not real. Why waste your time and everybody else's time? Oh, that's what I'm doing, huh? All right, so last up, speaking of Apple, we got a brand new update for iOS that came out yesterday. They went ahead and pushed out a release for iOS 13.1 beta. Wait. What? So iOS 13 isn't even officially out yet, but we already got betas for iOS 13.1. Fantastic. Great. We're just a couple weeks away from the iPhone event where obviously we will get the official release for iOS 13. I just think we're moving a little fast is all. That brings me to this tweet that I put out a couple weeks ago that absolutely pissed everybody off. I don't know what happened here. I said both iOS 13 and iPadOS are an absolute mess. They're going to release this next month and literally every new beta has been worse than the previous. They're gonna need a miracle. I mean, I'm serious. For most of the time that I've been using these betas, they've been kind of messy, glitchy, messy, kind of gross. But in that tweet, everyone was like, well, I don't see it. It's been perfect. iOS is perfect. Apple is perfect. Tim Cook is perfect. Everything is perfect. Well, you know what, internet? I wish I suffered from the same disease that you do. The Apple can do no wrong in my eyes itis. I wish I had that. But I see the shit. It's shitty and I see it. And that's the show. Hopefully you liked it. You learned something. If you did, hit that like button. If you hate my stupid face, hit the dislike button. If you're new here, subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.